Hey there, welcome back to Health Journey. Today, we're diving into a really important health topic, your liver. If you're dealing with fatty liver, or just want to keep your liver in top shape, you're in the right place. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body, processing nutrients, and breaking down fats. But when fat starts building up in the liver, it can lead to serious health issues. Don't worry though, there are natural ways to help cleanse and heal your liver. So, let's talk about the top 8 miracle foods that can help cleanse your fatty liver and improve your overall health. 1. Garlic. Starting with number 1. Garlic. This small but mighty ingredient has incredible liver-supporting properties. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that activate enzymes in the liver, helping it flush out toxins. Plus, it contains selenium, a mineral that enhances antioxidant action. By boosting antioxidants, garlic helps protect the liver from damage while also promoting fat loss. Adding garlic to your meals can be an easy and delicious way to support liver function. 2. Green tea. Second on the list is green tea, a powerhouse when it comes to antioxidants. Green tea is packed with catechins, which are known to help the liver function more efficiently and even reduce fat accumulation. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can improve liver health, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Whether you sip it hot or iced, a couple of cups a day can go a long way toward protecting your liver. 3. Leafy greens. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard green. These veggies are not only full of vitamins and minerals, but they also contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps the liver neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides, reducing the toxic load on the liver. The fiber in leafy greens also aids digestion and helps reduce fat storage, which is key to reversing fatty liver. Make sure to incorporate these greens into your diet as salads, smoothies, or side dishes. 4. Avocados. Now let's talk about avocados, one of the healthiest fats you can eat. Avocados are rich in glutathione, a compound that supports liver detoxification by helping to break down harmful toxins. They're also full of healthy, monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation and help lower cholesterol levels. By eating avocados regularly, you can give your liver the nutrients it needs to repair itself and function optimally. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric, the golden spice, is another miracle food for your liver. This spice contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric stimulates the production of bile, which helps the liver digest fats more effectively and prevent fat buildup. It's also known to reduce liver inflammation and promote overall liver health. You can add turmeric to your meals or even enjoy it in a warm turmeric tea. 6. Fatty fish. Let's not forget about fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the liver and lower fat levels. Omega-3s also promote heart health, making them a double win for your body. Try to incorporate fatty fish into your meals a couple of times a week for maximum benefits to both your liver and your overall health. 7. Walnuts. Another great liver cleansing food is walnut. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s and glutathione, both of which are essential for liver detoxification. They also contain high levels of arginine, an amino acid that helps the liver remove ammonia, a toxic byproduct of protein metabolism. Just a handful of walnuts can boost your liver health and provide you with a healthy dose of plant-based protein. 8. Olive oil. And finally, olive oil. Cold-pressed olive oil is one of the best fats for liver health. It helps reduce fat buildup in the liver and improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to process fats. Olive oil also stimulates bile production, which aids in digestion and helps the liver eliminate toxins. Use it as a dressing on salads or a drizzle over cooked veggies to give your liver a natural cleanse. And there you have it. 8 miracle foods that can help cleanse and heal your fatty liver. By adding these nutrient-packed foods to your diet, you're giving your liver the tools it needs to regenerate and function at its best. Remember, your liver plays a huge role in your overall health, so taking care of it is essential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more health tips. Thanks for watching Health Journey, and we'll see you next time.